Hi, so today I want to take you through a wonderful exercise that many of you may even know from yoga. It's called Warrior Two, but in Qigong we call it Lunge and Flow. We take the same movement but take it into a flow. So it's slightly different. So it's a way that we want to help move Qi in the body. So to do that is, let's start with our feet, and we're going to send our feet out wider than your shoulders. Now you're going to decide how wide you want the stance to be based on how you want to work with the exercise, what works best for your body. And we'll start by going to the left. So turn your left foot off to the side, and the right foot's going to stay there. And you can change the stance based on your needs. And then, once you get into that posture, we'll bring our hands in front of the heart and what we call prayer position. So the hands are resting right here, and we're going to slowly float the hands out to the side. So we're not going rigid. It's like a river. We're going to flow them out so the fingers are the last to arrive. And you're going to put your weight into that front leg. So this is the posture. Make sure this one's not bent down, that they're both level as possible. Just get a sense of that structure. Drop your tailbone. And if you want to make it a little bit easier, feet can come closer together, whatever works best for you. And then let's bring the hands back into prayer position and straighten the front leg. Straighten the front leg. So this is the lunge and flow. So we'll start here. And then we'll bend the knee, float the arms out in front of you and behind you. And then we'll inhale as we come back. Exhale as we float the arms out. Inhale. Exhale. So inhale, this is working at the heart. This is working at your present. This is the area, the only place we can live is right here in the present. And as we float the arms out, you can see that front arm represents your future, the potential that's out there for you to engage. And the arm behind you is your past. And that's the energy. And we're going to look at that as wisdom. We're not going to get overwhelmed by all the hard knocks that we all go through, but we can say that's wisdom that we've gained through our life. And then we're going to inhale and bring it back into the heart. And then we're going to connect with the future and the past. And inhale, bring it back into the present. See how this is slightly different than yoga. Exhale. Inhale. One more time. Exhale. Inhale. Let's bring our hands back to the heart. And now let's bring our feet. So once again, have parallel feet. And now right foot's going to go off to the side. Adjust your width of your stance based on what you need. Bend that front leg. Float the arms out. And let's just get a sense of the posture going this way. Make sure you're not being weighted down by the past, of course. You want to make sure everything's working for you and helping to honor you. And drop the tailbone a little bit will help to erect the spine. And then let's take that into a flow. Let's inhale, come back into the heart, into the center. Exhale, let's float out to the side. Inhale. Creating a flow, so it goes shoulders, elbows, wrist, hands, and fingers. Inhale, back. Exhale, shoulders, wrists, hands, fingers are the last to arrive, like a river flowing all the way out, starting from one point and moving all the way to the end point. Exhale. Inhale. Getting a sense of honoring all that is you, all your life experiences, now and into the future. Good. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Inhale. exhale. Good, and then let's come back to the center. Bring your feet a little bit closer together so they're not as wide. Hands here at the heart, just have a pause, just breathe. Have a moment of gratitude for all that you are in this moment. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.